Alright guys, this is a walk around of my 2008 V-Strom DL650. I bought it last summer, 2017. It came pretty stock. It has the upgraded tires on it that came with it. Shinko 705s in the front and the rear, so those are nice. Came with the Madstad bracket, the adjustable bracket for your windshield. Came with the bracket. I added this to the Adventure Tech phone, or the RAM mount from Rick at Adventure Tech. Got that put on there. It came with an aftermarket little tail box. It's okay. It's kind of small. It doesn't fit my helmet, so that's annoying, but it's good for little low profile box. As you can see, it's really dirty right now. I gotta keep it outside in the winter, and that's just how it goes. It gets dirty. I've been riding. It's February. It's 59 degrees in February in Ohio, so I'm definitely out riding. But obviously, it gets very dirty, going through puddles and on the salt and stuff. So I gotta wash it. But this is here's my bike. It's got the stock Suzuki mirrors on it. I did order Adventure Tech mirror extenders with the RAM mounts there. Like I said, got the extra large X grip on my phone to hold my phone, or it fits my GPS as well. I gotta find some wiring so I can run outlet for my phone or my GPS up to here. I'd like to get another windscreen for it, so those will be coming in the future. I basically just wanted to do a little walk around to how my bike is now, almost exactly how I bought it, with the exception of the RAM mount up there. Like I said, it's 2008. It's got 15,000 miles on it. Pretty good deal on it. Obviously my chain needs oiled. It's been sitting out in the winter. Needs washed, oiled, but we're ready to go for the spring, summer. I love it. I can't wait. Stay tuned for more updates on it. Any questions, let me know.